Discover the Silver Cloud YL500 electromagnetic lock. A safe and reliable solution for access control. YL500 features a solid metal body and comes with a built-in cylinder and keys for manual unlocking. It operates in fail-secure mode, meaning it stays locked during power outages, providing extra safety. The Silver Cloud YL500 can be easily integrated with access control systems, PNI power supplies, and keypads. In the box, you'll find the lock, strike plate, cylinder with keys, mounting accessories, and the user manual. Silver Cloud YL500. More safety, more control. Available at PNI.